If Audacity is showing error code 12 on your Windows 11 PC, the good news is that this is usually a permissions issue, not a broken installation. In most cases, Windows security is blocking Audacity from writing files or accessing the hardware it needs to work properly. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can help you get back to recording and editing without the frustration. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, let's check where you're saving your files. This is one of the most common causes of this error. If you are trying to save a project to an external drive, a protected folder, or a cloud-synced location like OneDrive, Windows may stop Audacity from writing to that location. To test this, try saving your project to your desktop instead. The desktop is usually a much safer location for testing because it is less likely to be blocked by security restrictions. Open Audacity, start a new project, and try saving it directly to the desktop. If it works there, then the issue is probably the folder permission rather than Audacity itself. If saving to the desktop works, the next thing to do is avoid protected folders for your audio projects. Some folders on Windows 11 are locked down more tightly than others, especially folders tied to cloud backup or security protection. When Audacity cannot write to the folder, it may throw error code 12 or fail silently when you try to save. So if you usually store projects in OneDrive or another protected directory, try moving them to a regular local folder first and see if the problem disappears. Now let's move on to a Windows 11 feature that often causes this issue called controlled folder access. This is part of Windows Security's ransomware protection, and while it can be useful, it sometimes blocks trusted apps like Audacity from making changes to your files. To check this, open Windows Security, then go to Virus and Threat Protection. From there, look for Manage Ransomware Protection. Inside that section, you'll find Controlled Folder Access. If this is turned on, it may be preventing Audacity from saving correctly. You have two options here. The first option is to temporarily turn off Controlled Folder Access and test Audacity again. If the error disappears, then you know that feature was the cause. The second option, which is usually better for long-term use, is to add Audacity to the allow list. That way, Windows still keeps the protection enabled, but Audacity is trusted and can work normally. After making the change, go back to Audacity and try saving or recording again to see if error code 12 is gone. If you still have the issue after that, the next step is to run Audacity as an administrator. This gives the program elevated permissions and can help it bypass simple access restrictions. To do this, close Audacity completely, then right-click the Audacity icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. From the menu, choose Run as Administrator. When the app opens, try the same action that caused the error before, whether that is recording, importing, or saving a project. If it works now, the issue was likely a permission conflict. This is a really useful fix because some apps on Windows 11 need extra permission to interact with folders, audio devices, or system-level resources. Even if you don't normally run software as administrator, it's a great troubleshooting step when you run into strange access errors like this one. If none of those steps fix the problem, there are a couple of final things worth checking. Make sure Audacity is fully updated to the latest version, because older builds can sometimes behave badly with newer Windows security settings. Also, if you are using antivirus software from a third party, it may have its own protected folder or ransomware settings that are interfering as well. In that case, you may need to allow Audacity inside that security app too. So to quickly recap, first, test saving to your desktop instead of an external or protected folder. Second, check Windows security and either disable controlled folder access or allow Audacity through ransomware protection. Third, right-click Audacity and run it as an administrator. One of these fixes usually solves error code 12 on Windows 11. I hope this helped you fix the problem quickly. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.